Crypto Addictor here. Today I'm going to talk about the Anchor VWAP and how to use Anchor VWAP in order to find a trend. So let's get started. The Anchor VWAP is nothing but the average volume weighted price, and Anchor VWAP always consider volume into the calculation. As Anchor VWAP always consider the volume into the consideration, it always better than the moving average. If you see the moving average, it does not consider the volume into the consideration. So in order to use the Anchor VWAP, you have to go to the tradingview.com, and here if you see the Anchor VWAP indicator is available. In order to use the Anchor VWAP, you have to select the recent swing high and the swing low point and see whether the prices are the below Anchor VWAP or the above Anchor VWAP. If prices are below the Anchor VWAP, then it consider the bearish and you always look for the short opportunity. If prices is above the Anchor VWAP, then it's considered as a bullish and you always look for the long opportunity. So let's see with the help of example. Currently, I am on Bitcoin USDT chart. If I select the Anchor VWAP, I have to select the recent swing high and the recent swing low point. So as you can see uh, from this chart, this is a swing low point and this is a swing high point. So I have selected the Anchor VWAP, and if I click here on the recent low point, I get a average volume weighted price for the uptrend. And if I select from the recent high, I will get Anchor VWAP weighted price for the downtrend. If prices are below both the uptrend and the downtrend, then it's considered as a strong sell signal and you always look for the short opportunity. The prices are above the Anchor VWAP, then you always consider for the long opportunity. In this case, now prices are below the Anchor VWAP, you always consider short opportunity because the trend is downtrend. When you can consider the long signal, you have to buy above this point in order to consider the bullish case. You can use Anchor VWAP for the shorter time frame also. Let's see, currently I am on 4-hour chart and I find the recent swing low is this point and recent swing high is this point. So I will select the Anchor VWAP for the uptrend. I will select the Anchor VWAP for the downtrend. As the prices are below the Anchor VWAP for the uptrend as well as the downtrend, you always consider to short sell the market. This is how you can use the Anchor VWAP in order to find the trend.